Hey guys, so if you remember earlier, last week sometime we were talking about questioning and why questioning is important, and we touched a little bit on thick and thin questions. So while the thin questions have their place, as we're starting to read our novel in a few days, we want to focus on some thicker questions, some in-depth questions. Okay, so this video is just a little bit about the different kinds of questions that we have. So if we look in our week 4 folder and find the Costas question stems, opening that up, and when you are in class with me, I will have you open this up. But when we look at this, we're looking at the different levels of questions. So these would be our thin questions: when, who, what, questions that have simple answers. But as we go a little bit deeper, we've got level 2 and level 3. So thinking about our text structures, what caused something to happen, talking about theme, how are things different and similar, and then moving on to predicting, evaluating, imagining what would happen if the story had one more character, what would happen if, and then you make something up. So this is a very, very quick intro to the questions that we'll be using when we start our novel. So when we start our novel, part of your assignment every day will be to come up with 2 questions. One question needs to be a thin question, a level 1, like this, and one question will be a level 2 or 3 question requiring a little bit more thought when answering. So thinking about questioning as you're reading, as we know, is a very important skill because it helps you understand what you're reading at a deeper level. Okay, so as we get into our story more, you will be able to apply these questions. You will be able to have this as a resource for you to help you make your questions. And when you are in class with me, I will help you save that. My virtual kids, when we meet, I'll be showing that to you as well.